Kikam runar ni kikam bian ki bteng beit panyai jia wat lada ki pulit ki pet ngor ar pusau kenta barok shitayoru. Laong ba Prestone tensong usembut menteri rangba ka jela Meghalaya ubrikmi ketanat kampo yeng halor ka jingkeli na kilat pathai khubor lagi bor pulit ka jela kim biang ban pet ye kikam ti pat khayi do yong bian ha ka jela. Kani ka jingkeli ka long halor ka hukum yeng kasari ka balapan bor pulit shipau perton bante lakam ya ka kam ti bat khayi do yong bi anya ka jela ha ka ba ka sarkar kan hap ban pulut pisaru na ka banta kite ki perton nalor ki bor pulit ki baladon lupa ha ka jela. Ulaong ba ka sarkar jela lengba ka tanat pulit kan yele ban pensange ya ka kam ti bat khayi do yong bi an ha ka jela.
Well, in fact, as I said to you, even I replied in the assembly recently, I said our police force is equipped enough. We can do it. But the only point here is, even if the police force is 24/7, see, criminal activities still keep happening. You need to also understand that. You don't know when is the thief coming to your house. So you need to understand that. You know, humanly speaking, we are trying our best and we will make sure that illegal mining activities has to stop at any point. See, as I said to you, that is again the order of the Honorable High Court. But I'm telling you, let me assure the people of the state that the state police are equipped enough to handle any situation.
But will the government appeal against this order of High Court for deployment of CISF?
That I can't say anything right now, because in fact letter has been sent even to the Ministry of Home Affairs, to the concerned organization, where ultimately they are not able to provide additional forces.